Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Duolingo progress on iOS and Android. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Duolingo progress on iOS and Android, start by opening the Duolingo app on your device. Log into your Duolingo account if you're not already signed in. On iOS, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. On Android, you should see the profile icon in a similar position on the bottom right. Once you've accessed your profile, look for the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Account section and tap on it. Here, you'll find options to link your Duolingo account to different platforms. For iOS users, tap on the Connect button next to Google or Facebook, depending on your preferred service. For Android users, the process is the same. Connect your account to either Google or Facebook. Once connected, your progress will automatically sync to your selected platform. If you're using a Google account, ensure that your Google account settings allow for synchronization. For Facebook, make sure you're logged into the app to facilitate the connection. After connecting, you can log into Duolingo on any device using the same account. This ensures your progress is saved and accessible across all devices. Now, if you ever switch devices or uninstall the app, to confirm your backup, log out and then log back into Duolingo. Check to see if your progress is intact. If you have any issues, revisit the account settings to ensure everything is properly linked. By following these steps, you can easily backup and safeguard your Duolingo progress on both iOS and Android. Now you're ready to continue your language learning journey with peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.